I indeed believe that you've enjoyed this program for the past few hours. We've been here in Formidable Zone 2 in Opolo, Ugwocha Warriors. Indeed, this is a very wonderful program, and this program, I think, we've been conclusive in the language of Nigeria INEC. If we fail to capture the presence of elders, of course these are IPOB elders, who decided to visit this wonderful zone today. So we are going to hear some of them, and see how they feel as regards to such visit. Indeed, you ought to understand, as Igbo adage we go, wherever the elders have decided to visit, indeed there must be a message. Let us know if they have come to give us the referendum date or whatever. Just be patient while our elders, our fathers and mothers speak to us. Thank you. Well done, sir.
Yes, my brother.
It's a privilege to be with you. And I can see you're here with others. Please tell us your name and those of your entourage, who they actually are.
Thank you. My name is Eda Ebere Agonsi Onowu of IPOB. With me are the Royal Highnesses from different clans of Biafran land, Nzes of different clans.
Could this be best described as the Ohaneze Ndibo of IPOB?
God,
so tell us.
We hate that Ohaneze.
God forbid.
With passion, we hate it.
Why we are here is to let you know that Ohaneze Ndibo is from a particular class in different land, and they were Ndibo. But the people you are seeing here are the Biafrans. We have people from Ebonyi, we have people from Ibanke, we have people from Akwa Ibom, we have people from Bahrain, Erijo, on the rest of different land. I think 13 states of different land, we are here represented.
Okay, let's get your response as regards to some of the insinuation by Nigeria government that IPOB is youth-driven organization. So what is your reaction to that?
Before you ask me the question, am I a youth? I fought the fourth war. I want to fight the second one. But this one, the other one, we fight with a gun. But this one, we are fighting with the truth. And which you know, no distant time, Biafra is here.
Okay, can we equally say that the real leaders of Biafra land are not happy with the betrayal we are receiving from Ohaneze, led by Nyanwodo?
Exactly. Not only the Biafra land, Ohaneze Ndibo, Igbo land, Ohaneze Ndibo. We don't know them. We don't know how they were constituted. It is just geopolitical organizations. They just gather themselves and be taking money from the expired zoo. That is the money organization club. They are not representing anybody in Biafran land. I want to tell you again, even with their sons that they've dragged to themselves, they are called Urania and Omiomio and the rest of them. I'm sorry. I even prophesied this into Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when I visited him to prison. I told him the only problem we have is that man you called your man Omiomio. But he did not believe in me. If I am a bishop, maybe by now my church will be crowded with people because I prophesied before the time. Okay,
you and your group, you're here for a visit to Formidable Zone 2. Yeah. Can you tell us your assessment as regards to motivation and the Biafra spirit that you observe here?
Very, very much. What I saw in Zone 2, I never expected. But for the fact that, you know, a son of a lion cannot eat grass. They are Ugwocha warriors that produce the elders of Biafra land. They will do like their father. And our mission is to get Biafra. And that is our mission. That is why we struggle to make sure our Ohamadike comes out. Though they say people don't come and again. But I want to tell you, that man will swear by our blood that he must not be in the hands of the evil, concocted nation called themselves like that. Today, he is out. That is the children of elders of Biafra.
Okay, the coordinator of the zone, while speaking to BTV crew, did mention that there is a high preparation as regards to the forthcoming referendum. Can you please tell us the preparation of the elders of IPOB as regards to the forthcoming Biafran referendum?
Thank you. Among the IPOB members, there are even 4 of them that were among the people that community that will conduct the referendum. That's to tell you that elders of IPOB are
very relevant.
Our preparation, is just primary. You are asking us. We have gone beyond the preparation we want to hear from you, because we have done most of the Biafran lives, telling them about what they will do. Say yes to Biafra, no to Nigeria. We are very, very prepared for the referendum because already we are inside.
Okay, finally, I want to hear your view, not really your view, your advice to some of the elders who have decided to eat what was placed for a child as regards to Ohanaeze Ndigbo led by Nna Nwodo. Please, what are your advices to those elders who have decided to stab their sons, especially in Igbo Biafra land?
I want to tell those my brothers who have quest for money, the money. One Alhaji owns oil well here in Biafra land. All of them have shared the oil well in Biafra land, and they were begging for the peanuts of what they were about to get when Biafra comes. Biafra is for everybody. Biafra is for poor person. Biafra is for rich person. In Biafra land, there will be no poor person. I want to tell you on the ground.
Ndewo, sir.
Listen to the speaking of the elders.
I na shebe beru ko bere. Ala Biafra yan doga wo Biafra o. Anya doga ho Nigeria. Anya shi.
Of course, the elders placing causes to whosoever that will sabotage the struggle of Biafra. These are legitimate elders of Biafra land who are righteous, who are holy, against what we have in Ohanaeze Ndigbo. These are elders placing the offer of the
but no me so bad, very bad. I never see. I never see. Oh, I never see. Oh no, I want Biafra. O support her. And she of Obuayo. Yaboya na for. Yaboya na ken. Yaboya no dia. And she ebe beru ko bere. Ndo aso. Ndo mmiri. Aso adala. Mmiri aso amuna. Anyi na she o mpa anyi labojedubu. Onye ge mo kama nwe ege chele ne titi ojo. Anyi sofo buye no so. Anyi se pe no wo la wonye Biafra. Obe na politics. Me wu eda, me wu korobia, me wu nwanye. Ke gumeni opurupuru. Anyi se po wole jiko ne opurupuru. Iyiri ego. Ayi se Clifford iranya. Mposo. Ekugu ihoma, nekunta nekuimo. Anyi se mpe je bia do aria. Azogi ruwe kwa lo. Oh, but I see my miss. Ya be Ohamadike. Azolaga. Anyama shebe na shikagibu enyi. Ala were go. Omio. Iwo nyoshi. Na Spain. Izuge kwende zuge. Aga bepu age. Nge begi hojo. Ga waria sagige bunyi. Ofobu ekwego. Nke kake na la Biafra. Ewu nwoke ewu nwe. Jebura parais. Kagi jebura parais iji megide ndị eda. Anyị sa parais ibu. Ya wokwa gị mmiri o. Egbe beru ko bere. Ihe mkpọrọ na la Biafra. Anyị ebuge hụ nwoke. Anyị ebuge hụ nwaanyị. Ya rekwala onye hụ na onye asọmma. Onye ụlọ agala anyị ala wekwo.
Yes, that is indeed of four. Of course, Biafra has what we call Fonogu. You might not really understand. But by the time Biafra comes, Biafra institution will explain all these things. The elders have taken a position that for those who have decided to sabotage the holy cause of Biafra, that the fall will come against them, that the Ogu will come against them. And I want to tell you, Biafrans, that you must understand that in as much as the fathers of the land, the elders of the land, are with us, of course, our ancestors are with us. Yes. Guess what? This program, in a short while, will come to an end. And I want to tell you that Igbocha formidable, yes, Igbocha warriors, they are indeed formidable. Yes. As Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will always say that Igbocha remains the spiritual capital of Biafra land. We are really enjoying this program. Thank you for keeping with us. On behalf of BTV, Mazi Chika Austin say, Kufo J4, Kufo Alafo.
All hail Biafra! 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 Biafra!
No Biafra, no peace. And we have come out for this. We must fight until we restore our kingdom. Biafra has been in existence for 1,000 years ago. And we, the youth of Biafra, are here to restore Biafra. We must restore Biafra, whether the zoo like it or not. Biafra must be restored. We are here sending message to Britain. Britain should release Biafra. If they fail to release Biafra, they will see a calamity that will befall on Britain. And Nigeria government, they should also allow Biafra to go before